Hi, my name is John. Welcome to the second part in the series of short videos all about this TIG 260 AC DC inverter TIG welder. In the last video I did an aluminium weld. This time I've got a cast iron repair to do. I'm not going to weld it in the true sense of the word. I'm going to repair it using silicon bronze. I'll show you the setup I use on my machine to weld cast iron with silicon bronze. The machine's got 9 preset memories, and I think it's number 6 that I've got designated to welding silicon bronze cast iron. Anyway, we'll come in, I'll show you the setup on the welder. This is a setup that I use for silicon bronze on cast iron. I'm in program number 5. I'll go through the menu and show you what we've got. Start at the beginning. I've got no pre-flow gas, I don't need it because I'm using a foot pedal. No upslope because once again I'm using a foot pedal. I've got the main welding arm set at 170, I probably won't need all that. AC balance I've got set right down to 10%, just a little bit of cleaning, it does help, especially on dirty cast iron. Frequency I've got at 70. Post flow, that's gas that comes out when I finish welding, 9 seconds, just to keep things clean. And I'm on AC, advanced square wave, using the foot pedal, high frequency start, and there's no pulse involved. So I'll bring the camera in and see if I can get some decent arc shots. Not so much to show you how to weld, just to show what the arc looks like. The idea is to not fully melt the base metal, just wet it and then run the bronze in. So we'll have a little go at welding it. This is a punch or a stamping tool of some description. I think it's got something to do with leather, and what's happened, it's made out of a bit of best quality Chinese cast iron, and it's snapped clean across there. I think it's snapped because they've tried to use it without putting a securing bolt into there, just pivoted broke. If you used a steel rod it would crack. You could use a pure nickel rod, that's for repairing cast iron, but I find that using silicon bronze, it has a little bit of stretch in it and it allows things to move a little bit as it cools down. Not always, but I think it'll probably work in this situation. You can also get a bit of reinforcement in the bottom somehow. I'm sure I'll be able to do something with it, but the first thing is to do a bit of damage with a grinder. This is the setup I use. It's a CK torch, a water cooled torch. I've got a number 8 straightforward cup, a 2.4mm blue lantherated tungsten. I use them for everything now. Right, that's the finished weld. That's as welded, it hasn't been dressed up. You could run a die grinder across there and make it look very pretty, I suppose. So we'll let this cool now naturally, then I'll turn it over, grind the back out and fill the back in, and that should be a pretty good repair. I put plenty in here so I can file the top of the bolt holes flat. It's cooled down now, nice and cool. I've taken off its support bracket and I've ground the back out of the die grinder, and you can see I've broke into, that's the bronze weld build-up material there. So I'm just going to fill that in with more bronze weld, machine the base flat, and that should be a decent enough repair. I hope you found that video interesting and possibly learned a little bit about how to set up your particular machine. If you have any queries on settings, you can always email me, that's my email up there, or email or phone Arctic. They've got some good technical lads there that'll be only too happy to help you. The rods I used were supplied by Arctic. Arctic can supply basically anything you need to do any type of welding. Anyway, thanks for watching.